Welcome to the next episode of the van build series, you guys. This is Bo. If you haven't, please consider subscribe to my channel. I appreciate for that. Right now I am finishing up the Shiplap panel here, and then yeah, I replaced with new ones. Now it's nicely enclosed. I'm leaving these two small pieces here. That way I have room to run the solar cables, because I have to go up there after this, connect, reinstall the solar panels, finish up everything on the top, run the wire through here, and then it's time for painting. It will be ready for painting. So that's where we at right now. We are getting really close to this build. So I have the next 2 full days to work on this. So let's see where we are after this weekend. This is how I connected the 2 cables for the AC unit, and actually they are factory fused. They are 120 amps on both lines, negative and the positive, and then next to the battery there's another 150 amps on the positive side. And check this out, if I install a garnish, look how cool it looks. Flush, tight fit, that's beautiful. I did it guys. I fit 275 watts and an AC and the Maxxair fan up here, just like custom made. I'm gonna show you this. I'm so proud of myself. Yeah, 2 more screws on that side. Okay, take a look. Alright, on this side, actually I managed to leave 1 inch gap here. So 6 of these number 10 nuts. Okay, and then on the other side I share the 2 panels with the crossbars. And those are hex nuts, 6mm. No, it's M6. It's M6. Okay, with the T-nut running inside the channel. 6 of those. All right, done. Here's have a look from the top after everything is tightened down. Look at that. It's very well organized. I'm done with the roof. Solar panels all tied down, all the wires run inside, and I already patched up everything, masked everything. I am ready for painting. It's gonna look really nice. Let's go ahead and get this van painted. Let's go. Today's paint choice, we are using external. This is ultra pure white paint and primer in one, even though the board already pre-primed. But that will even help it better. This is exterior semi-gloss. Okay, why are we choosing sometimes a little different paint? It's even they're ultra pure white. Okay, it depends on it. Actually, your preferences. Sometimes you like satin, sometimes you like it glossy or semi-gloss. for me personally, I would like the semi-gloss, not too glossy. It also helps, you know, if it gets a little bit dirty, you can easily wipe it off. But again, it's up to your whatever your preference is. As far as the roller for the paint, I'm using this Home Depot stuff. It's a 6-inch roller. Okay, let's do this. And painting is done. Look at that. How beautiful, nice and clean. Holy cow, check that out. Oh. I should remove that foam first. Tight fit. Oh, nice. I need longer screw. These spotlights are bright, and it's really useful when it comes to campground when you need it. Look at this. And also this light bar right here, 36 inches, rotatable. You can rotate it inside and outside when you need it, the campsite. Look at this. This whole area is brightened up. Everything is coming nicely with this van. I really like it so far. So thank you so much. If you follow me along, I hope this episode also gives you a lot of ideas. And don't forget, please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and share. And thank you so much for watching this video all the way to this end, and I hope you really like it as much as I'm enjoying doing it and taking video to share you guys. So see you the next episode, and this is Bo. See you